Here's me and Hunter. What did we build today, Hunter? It looks to me like we built us an IBC pig tote waterer. Is that what we built?
Yeah.
We still got a little bit of work to do to it yet, but we got our float valve installed, right?
Yeah.
Is that our float valve?
Yeah. It still needs some work here.
Yeah. It's got a really nice long internal float arm for shutting off the valve at the bottom there.
Yeah.
It's got a huge float. This is the bestfloatvalve.com float valve. It is extra heavy duty, so you know what we say, Hunter? Overkill is underrated, right?
Yeah.
Right. So it had organic, or not organic, but a food grade crop oil in it. So there's still residual crop oil in there. Mm-hmm. And we have to finish cleaning it out, don't we? Oh, you want to show them that we cut where we cut the boxes here? We took the grinder and we got all the sharp parts out, didn't we?
I'm gonna not grab people.
Yeah.
For the sauce.
And then down here we put a piece of PVC on, didn't we?
Yeah, cause it's nice.
Yep. That way the pigs don't hurt themselves going in and out of it. Are we gonna build a ramp up to here?
Right there.
Okay. Yep. So that's kind of what we got done today, and now we're gonna show you the video, won't we?
Yeah. And we're gonna brush it down so it's nice and not wet.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Smile.
It's Daddy and Hunter video. We got them a pig. Is that done?
Battery's going there.
Hey, Harry?
Yeah.
Why do you have a plug for it?
Drop it.
Okay, see that pipe? It needs a hose. See, that hole got its hose, and that top bigger than this, and inside we clean it out. And there we got a box, and see where I kick it. It's plastic, see? And there I did cornmeal, and I did see that pipe and need a water hose so I can see. We need a wire post hose so go in there, and it's got two girls, and they got that thing, go and mess it up, and they don't stop because it's not on me like that. And here's I am me, and here's I am me.